Good morning, everybody. This here is my 2001 Chevy Silverado 1500. This is the 4.3 base model 5-speed manual. I just picked this up the other day for $2,200. Mileage on the truck is about 260. Engine is pretty trashed.
I got a bad feeling about this.
For $2,200, she's pretty much all there. But overall, the frame is solid. That's the main thing I wanted for it, because the goal for this truck is going to be to swap hopefully a 5.3 or maybe a 6.0. We still haven't decided yet. We'll see what we can get our hands on. Nothing too cool or crazy under the hood, just a regular 4.3. Unfortunately, the dash was cracked. We didn't know that before we went to pick it up. Goes through all the gears. Obviously, we drove it all the way up here, but she sounds like shit. You can hear her struggling to stay alive, struggling very hard. See that 259, so almost at 260. So today we're gonna get her pulled into the garage, get it up on the lift for the first time, and we're finally gonna figure out what's really going on under here and see how much work we have ahead of us.
Made by Donald.
What do you think?
I think it's a piece of trash. Can I shake the car? The joint is a 7/8.
The boost on 7.
And it's a 3/4.
That'd be a 9.
I'm a 9.
Dude, nobody's gonna watch this video.
I watch him. I'll make 10 different accounts just to watch. It's 10 views. I got you, man.
But he could also just make all the videos soundless.
Yeah, if he does that, we're f***ing breaking up with him.
Oh shit. Oh. Alright, so we got the O2 sensor out.
This is never gonna work. Somebody hold it up.
I'm holding it up with like 5 pounds of strength.
We got the bolts that connect the exhaust to the headers off, getting the last O2 sensor off, and then we're gonna disconnect the Y pipe. Always spray some WD on these old bolts just to get them loose.
Rusty as your mechanic skills.
Alright, so now that we got the cats out, we're gonna leave the rest of the exhaust in there because Still don't know what we're gonna do with it, scrap it or sell it, and we don't have any. We were gonna keep everything in the bed of the truck, so that's too long. Next, we're gonna go and try to get the drive shaft out. So we got the drive shaft out.
Pull forward.
Pull it forward and then pull it backward.